So the crop wheat competition. This competition is a struggle for the survival and existence, particular in the case of the wheat compete with the crop. But the main thing is that the factor affecting particular for the crop wheat competition, particular the moisture, again very important factor, nutrient, sunlight and space. This is 4 factor particular to affect the crop wheat competition. It means CWC. The one thing is that the crop again to growing particular for the yield purpose, and sometime most of the time it is very dangerous for the weed infestation in between the crop, and to losses particular 33 to 45% due to the weed, not an insect pest. So here the one thing again write down the growing particular the crop. This is a crop plant and this one is wheat plant. So the important thing is that the wheat is faster grower, fast germination as comparatively to the crop. Then wheat large number of seed production. It means it is more uptake nitrogen as is a Echinochala cruciale as comparatively to the compared to the rice. It means rice is a crop plant and the wheat name is a cruciale. So this is more uptake nitrogen. So wheat is more uptake nutrient as comparatively to the crop plant. So this one is very best example to more uptake of the nitrogen as comparatively the rice. So wheat is more uptake nutrient. So the one factor it means the factor name nutrient. So the nutrient again nitrogen loving nutrient wheat, potassium loving nutrient wheat, and phosphorus loving nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium loving weeds. So those weed is loving nitrogen, so nitrophilic weed. So the name is Amaranthus viridis. Amaranthus viridis is a 3% more nitrogen as comparatively to the crop. Then P phosphor loving weed. So the example particular in the case of phosphorus, Acaranthus species. Then this is K lover weed. So your answer is Chenopodium album. So directly you read the example particular the nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So the important question is the nitrophilic. Those weed is a more nitrogen uptake. So your answer is Amaranthus viridis is a 3% more nitrogen as comparatively to the crop. Because here to write down the crop wheat competition. This is a wheat and this is more uptake nitrogen as to growing particular in the case of the. Then this one question JRF exam 2016 examination. Directly the name of this weed. This is barnyard grasses. So here in the it is the compete particular. First is nutrient basis. Then the second is moisture. Second is moisture. So write down the one thing, water. Moisture. Here one is transpiration ratio. This question is SRF. Net. What is the meaning of the transpiration ratio? Transpiration ratio. So write down the transpiration ratio is produce amount of dry matter with more water. It means how much kg of produce, unit of the produce dry matter consume how much amount of water. So here the definition again very important, the transpiration ratio. But in the case of with the C4 plant, C4 type of weeds utilize, in the case of CO2, utilize more CO2 as compared to C3 plants.